G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to make for you a delicious recipe in the Sedona Supreme food dehydrator. Now this recipe is actually by a good friend of mine, Jenny Ross. She's a raw foodist, used to own a beautiful raw food restaurant, and she showed me this awesome recipe. So the Sedona Supreme is Tri-Best's top of the line dehydrator. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got this opening glass door with stainless steel trays. It's also got a nice stainless steel trim. The little light comes on when you open the door. It's got a single fan. So this single fan is really efficient. It's gonna perform nice, even dehydrating across all the trays. So today I'm gonna make for you some dehydrated pesto mushrooms. So I've got some nice flat mushrooms down here. So I just take the stem out of them all, just so they're nice and ready to put my pesto in. So it's really, really simple. I've got some fresh pesto here. I made this in my Vitamix blender not too long ago, just with fresh basil, some olive oil, absolutely beautiful. You can make kale pesto, any sort of pesto you like, and then just scoop it onto your mushrooms. Dehydrated, these taste so delicious. So I'm just gonna put these straight into the Sedona food dehydrator. This is the Supreme model, Tri-Best top of the line model. It's actually, they sell it as a commercial dehydrator, but we sell a lot for household use. Close my door. The Sedona Supreme has a TST feature, a two-stage sequential temperature timer feature, a bit of a tongue twister. But basically what that means is I can dehydrate at a higher temperature for the first hour or two, which is usually what you do when dehydrating, because that's when any mold can grow in the food. And then for the remaining dehydrating time, it'll automatically drop to a lower temperature that you've preset. So pretty cool feature. So it's got three different modes here. It's got a fast mode, a raw mode, and a TST or the combo mode, which is what I'm putting on here. So both the little lights are lit up. And I'm gonna set my temperature to 60 degrees for 2 hours. And then for my second temperature range, I'm gonna decrease it to 45 degrees for another 5 hours. So that's already set. This will go up to 99 hours, 99-hour digital timer, and ranges from 25 up to 65 degrees. Now you can choose from Celsius or Fahrenheit. I'm gonna hit our start button. You'll notice how quiet Sedona is to other dehydrator brands on the market. You're not really gonna hear it if you're sleeping in the next room, so it's super quiet. That's what I like about it. And it's not gonna chew up a lot of energy as well. It's a low energy. And here is one I prepared earlier. So this has been dehydrating for about 5 to 6 hours, and they're pretty much ready to eat there. So a really simple, easy to make, delicious snack, courtesy of my friend Jenny Ross over in the US. Let's try these. So delicious. Makes for the perfect healthy snack. Make sure you try this. Happy dehydrating.